How you can make a lot of money online. What it takes to do well in online business is knowledge, determination, and perseverance. If you have these latter two qualities, then knowledge is all you need to add to your arsenal. The ideas in this video will guide you through the process of learning how to make money online. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Complete surveys for money. There are a plethora of surveys to pick from on the internet. These are a good source of online income. But, there are times when survey work pays very little. Nonetheless, it's easy to do them in your spare time, and you can make quite a bit of money. Now that you know how to make money online, your next step is to implement your new knowledge. Set forth and be determined to turn your skills into something profitable. If you work hard enough, you'll have no problem making money online every day that you sit down and work. Student loan.